Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Ben, amateur call sign K0BJJ. You're watching Sputter Jetting. Today a little bit different video for you, a short one. Today we are making our center connector for our field dipole kit. As you saw, Associated Radio is who I bought this from. Associated Radio does a lot of the ham fests in Iowa, so that's who I purchased this one-to-one balun from. I also got a choke for him that's on the HF rig. So what we are going to be doing is attaching some spade connectors so that way we can do a multi-band field dipole. So everyone that's been saying I need to do some dipoles and get some stuff in wire antennas in the air, I'm listening, and this is what we're going to do. So today we're just putting on the the spade connector ends, so that way when we get our lengths of wire, we can get some antennas in the air. Now, some of you might notice something kind of fishy. Yes, I have a 12 gauge wire on one side and an 18 gauge wire on the other. Just with how things worked out, I needed to make some adjustments, I guess you could say. I'll probably end up using 18 gauge for the legs anyway, but just so when you guys go, hey, these ends aren't, these wire ends aren't the same size, yeah, that's why. This is meant for field use. I'm not planning on putting a lot of power through it, so the 12 gauge is way too much for what I need, and the 18 gauge is just fine. That being said, I'm going to quit talking here for a little bit, and we will let you get to the video. Enjoy the music. Alright, that is going to wrap up this part of the build. I am not going to take you along where we cut the wires and make the legs, but I will take you along when we're tuning outside. Going to kind of have a rainy day today, so it might not be today, but I wanted to give you guys some radio content. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to thank the supporters that are coming up. If you haven't, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time, guys. Have a good